Nothing too exceptional. In fact, right the way through the following week, it doesn't look too bad, our weather. It will be changeable. There will be rain around at times, but perhaps the only remarkable thing will be the temperature. Well, yesterday we got up to 13 degrees in Penzance. That's the mid-50s, and that's more the sort of thing that we're going to see this week, I think, quite mild. And that was only with 2 hours of sunshine. Last night, temperatures did dip below freezing, but that'll be a thing of the past. It is going to be far milder by night as well. The only frost coming back during Sunday night, and then into next week getting frost-free as well for all of us. The reason for that is our wind direction. The winds are coming in from a mild Atlantic direction, and they're going to stay southwesterly or westerly right the way through the weekend into next week. The strongest winds at times being across the northwest of Scotland and Northern Ireland, but even then not exceptional. Now these are the temperatures we would normally expect to see in February, 6 or 8 degrees, but today far milder. In fact, many of us will see temperatures in double figures, around 10 to 12, and that's despite the fact we've got a lot of cloud. There are breaks in that cloud, as you can see, across the east of the Pennines, down through into the Midlands and into central southern England. Even around the southwest there's some good breaks of sun coming through as well. And that's the way it'll stay this afternoon. A real mishmash then. A lot of cloud around, but some breaks, perhaps some drizzle across Wales and parts of northwest England. The rain is going to gather, though, across the north and the west during this evening and overnight, getting in across Scotland and Northern Ireland by the time we get through to the morning. Now, for all of us, it's going to be a mild night. If you remember those February figures I showed you a minute ago, 6 to 8 degrees, well, that's what we're going to see overnight. So a very mild night to come. Into tomorrow, a wet start to the day for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Down to the south, cloudy but staying dry, I think. That rain just getting into the north of England and Wales and southwest England later on in the afternoon. It'll take a time to clear Northern Ireland, I think, probably staying wet here for much of the day, but gradually brightening up across western parts of Scotland. Again, a mild day to come, 9 to 10 degrees. Then to Saturday night, we find that rain clearing southeastwards, but it will take a time to clear from the southeast perhaps on Sunday, so it could be fairly cloudy with outbreaks of rain for much of the day here. But generally, for the rest of us, an improving situation, particularly out to the west. We will find the showers dying away as the day wears on. Into next week, well, another weather front will bring some wet weather into western parts